Hello there, welcome to the Source of Concept tutorial, and in our today's tutorial we are going to discuss about how can we cancel a Google AdSense account which is not yet approved. This is the problem for the most AdSense users, but through this tutorial we are going to get its solution. Here we go. Let me open my Google AdSense. I'm going to sign in. The cancellation of this account, you have to press this account button, and inside of it there is a process of cancel. So from here we can cancel this account since the account button is not active. But through this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can cancel this Google AdSense. First of all, open your Gmail account with the email that you have been requested for Google AdSense. After opening your Gmail account, go to this button, click account. After that, click on payment and subscription. After that, click on manage payment methods. After that, go to setting, and here you will see all your information that you have provided during the AdSense request. So scroll down and click on close payments profile. After that, this window will appear which has some information about closing a payment profile. When you read this information, you'll see a statement that says when you close this profile, the services below will be cancelled. The service that is going to be cancelled include the Google AdSense. So here is the place where we cancel a Google AdSense. Below of this information, choose a reason to cancel your Google AdSense. Maybe I don't need this profile anymore. Then after that, click continue button and finalize by clicking close payments profile. Yep. Now let us try to log in to the Google AdSense and see what is going to happen. Sign in here, and when we open a Google AdSense, it needs my information. Again, when you open a Gmail account, you'll see two messages from Google AdSense, and when you open this, you have closed your Google payment profile, and the second one it say your account was cancelled. Your Google AdSense account was recently cancelled. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you again, and goodbye.